Okay, in this lecture, we're going to cover the simplest select statement possible. Now, you're beginning to learn SQL here, which is structured query language, and this is the language used to talk to most modern databases. There's 15 words, and then learning how to do things like joins and relationships. Now, the syntax that we're going to use here is that we're going to capitalize our keywords, and then everything else will be in the same capitalization as it is in the database. And this makes it easier to read the statements later, especially as they get more complex. And so just remember, it's not mandatory, but it definitely will help you down the road be able to read something that you wrote weeks ago and now you're trying to figure out what you were doing. Here's the syntax for selecting all data from a table. It's select asterisk or star, and then from and the table name. And most times, now it's optional, but it's a good habit to get into to end the statement with a semicolon. That tells it where it stops in case you want to do more than one statement in a row. Now, let's see, we want to select everything from the customers table. So now I'm going to switch over here to PG Admin and show you how to do this from within the program. So here we go. You've got your Northwind database. You want to right click on it and go to your query tool. All right, so now we're going to type in the statement here. It's going to be select asterisk from customers. Now, there's a shortcut key here, which is F5, or you can hit this lightning bolt up here. I'm going to use the shortcut key. Here we go. Now, this pulls back all fields in the table. So we've got every field if you go all the way across. And then if you go all the way down, this is all the rows. So in this particular database, there are 91 customers in the Northwind database. Now, it's your turn. So I want you to pause the video and select everything from the employees table. So push pause, and we're going to do this constantly throughout the course where it's your turn to try it out on your own, and then I'll show you the answer when you come back. So if we want to select everything from the employees table, it's a select star from, and the only thing we have to change here is the name of the table. And then we hit run, and we've got all 9 employees from the Northwind database. Well, that's it. That is the simplest statement you can write in SQL. In the next lecture, we'll cover how to narrow down and only bring back certain fields versus all the fields with asterisk.